everybody, so welcome to another video of legendary experiments. So today in this video I have some cooking soda, that baking soda, you can tell it in any name, that mothers use while cooking. That normal cooking soda, okay, so that I will put it in two different liquids. One is vinegar, normal non-fruit vinegar, and another is soapy lime water. Okay, so I will put each of them in different containers and I will see what they react and what they will react or not, and what the end products we get to see. Okay, so that is only I am going to test today. I have not tried it before, that what reaction occurs mainly between these two, because I have, this is really interesting. Okay, so that is I am going to test today. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Experiment, here I have this normal cooking soda. This is normal cooking soda. You can see here I have a chunk of it, and so now I will open this wrapper and I need to break it with something. I need to now break it. Okay, so I will put it here inside this and I will give it a rumble shake. Let's see if it breaks or not. This is a whole huge big chunk. Okay, so a little bit of powdery it has formed. I am still shaking it. If it becomes powdery, then the reaction will become more faster and it will enhance more quickly. Okay, so you can see this, I have made it powdery and this is fully right. Okay, so now I will make the lemon mixture. Okay, so here I have some plain water. This is plain water, and now I will pour here lemon juice. We need to take care that not a single portion falls out of this bottle. It is hard to squeeze. So wait, I have put here this mixed lemon juice, but these lemons have got stuck. Nothing matters. So to make this mixture more soapy, I will add some soap. We need less amount. Okay, so I think this is okay. Okay, so this amount is okay. See, now we need to mix it. So now I think the mixture is ready to be poured into this baking soda. Okay, so I need to move a little bit so you can see the experiment clearly, and so you can see now I have the mixture here and now it is ready to be poured. 1, 2, 3 and go. Let's see what chemical reactions happen. Okay, so nothing less occurred in lemon juice. I want to show you. This experiment is not a failure, but you can see this color has changed. A little bit of it has changed. It is turned into greenish type. Whereas in lemon juice, it is not like that only. This mixture has turned into a greenish type. This is reacting. You can see this. The reaction is taking place inside this beaker. I will give it a little shake. Okay, so you can see this liquid is green and all bubbles have appeared here. You can see this greenish mixture. I didn't expect to be this like greenish mixture, because lemon is green, but you can see that lemon is, when mixed to water, becomes discolored and light dissolved like color. But you can see here in this mixture there is foamy and all little greenish substance has been formed. I don't know what are these greenish substances. This green liquid was beyond my expectations, because I didn't expect that it will be reacting like this. Okay, so you have seen this, what it reacts with baking soda and lemon juice. Okay, so I will tell you the science after I find vinegar. I will pour here a little bit of vinegar. A little bit more. Okay, so I have used this much vinegar and now I will screw it. You can see here I have put here vinegar, and now I will put a chunk of this baking soda. Let's see what reaction takes place. You can see this. It is reacting, but very slowly. Dense or mild fumes are coming out. So I am thinking of pouring this whole chunk on this. What did you think? Write in the comments below also. Okay, so I will put this whole chunk and let's see what reaction do we get in mixing these. Okay, so this large chunk is cropped in the vinegar and you can see this. It is densely reacting. See this, it's reacting. It is densely reacting. Okay, so it is reacting. It is densely reacting. This large chunk of baking soda, and it's not so dangerous, but it's reacting. I think it is producing hydrogen gas, because usually these things produce hydrogen gas only. You can see particles are moving from here to there in random direction, and bubbles are also coming out. Okay, so this was a really great experiment. Let's see what more changes do we get, because it is densely reacting. You can see this. The fumes and the bubbles are also getting up and down. I will give it a good shake so that the reaction becomes more faster. Okay, so large chunk makes this reaction. This seems to react fastly and quickly with this vinegar, but in lime water it doesn't react so wildly. See from the top view also. It's rotating and it's moving. See this wild reaction between baking soda and this normal vinegar. I don't have balloons, so that is why I can't try to examine that this gas is only hydrogen or not. Let's see till the end that what happens to these all particles. Will they get dissolved or not? Now also they are reacting wildly, not mildly they are reacting. Okay, so let's wait and let's see if you can hear or not. I don't know whether you can hear or not, but I can hear well and nicely that it is reacting, and the sound of an eno when put into water is coming out. I don't know whether you can hear it or not. I tried to hear you. Take a good sight. Okay, so let's sit. I told it I will keep it for more 15 minutes. Till then we will see what happens. It is reacting now wildly. I know that hydrogen gas is only liberating from this reaction, and after keeping it for 15 minutes I can't see any other changes except this reaction and the hydrogen gas evolving. Okay, so let's test that whether this gas is hydrogen gas or not by using a simple experiment. So now I will try that whether I will prove that whether this gas is hydrogen or not. So I have here matchstick and let's see what happens. Remember that hydrogen gas doesn't support combustion. So it's a fail. Let's try it again. So I will try it with an incense stick. They burn more quickly. So here is a burning incense stick, and wow, it is proved that this is hydrogen gas because it doesn't support combustion. So let's see We'll immerse it more and to the concentrated part. You can see this, it's not quietly burning. Let's do this experiment again and let's see. Wow, fire quickly extinguished. This is really amazing. See this one more time and see this. This is proof that this is only hydrogen gas. Okay, so one more time I will do it for you people. One more time. And it has extinguished. So the liberation of hydrogen is not so big. That is the reason that why this part of the incense stick is also burning. But if the liberation of hydrogen is more, then it will be surely extinguished, this whole incense stick. But it is this amount of hydrogen is only extinguishing this amount of gas or the fire that is produced on this incense stick. So this is proof that with caustic soda or baking soda, when reacts with vinegar, liberates little bit of hydrogen that does not support combustion. Okay, so like this video, and if you have enjoyed and if you have learned anything from this video, then please like, share and share it to any other people and make it viral so that my subscribers can grow more. Okay, so I will come. Okay, so I will come every day with a new video. I will try to come every day with a new video. It is not okay, or it is difficult to come every day with a new video nowadays because now puja is there. So I will try to come every day with a new video, every day with a new video. Okay, so till then, take care. Bye.